Hello, we're going to the beach right now. Yay!
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and take some really cute photos. Oh my god, Stevie just scared me. We're gonna go to the beach, take some really cute photos. Oh, we should bring the camera to Marissa's party. And we're gonna go to a party tonight.
Look how dirty the apartment.
Two boy best friends.
You already packed the
Regular, two regular boy best friends. Date and not date. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go get towels for our beach day. Oh, don't mind our room. It's really messy right now because, well, we don't clean. Well, Ricky does, but I don't. Oh gosh, I can't reach. Okay. Ricky, don't you have a blanket in your car that we can use as like beach towel? Because I don't have a beach towel. Unless you want to get one from Whole Foods. Here's just a towel to dry off.
Your breath smells. Can you please brush your teeth?
I just brushed my teeth.
Like-
yeah. It does not smell.
Smells like mint plus shit.
Anyways. So yeah. I'll see y'all at the beach. I will try to remember to record because recording is important. Ricky, we should bring a tripod.
I did.
You did? My man knows. Okay.
You're mad.
My boy best friend knows. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys there.
Hello, party people. Wait, I don't have my mic on.
It's okay. You don't need the mic.
I basically got some mangoes.
Mango. Who's mango? That's right.
I also got some pineapple. Ooh, it's spilling.
It's real juicy. Oh, I can't see
And
the
then some
road.
watermelon, and then some cookie dough from this brand. But yeah, we're about 23 minutes away.
I'll see you there.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
Work until it's fully done. Okay. I see the beach. It's right there. We're walking towards it. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little freaking hot right now. But you know what? We're gonna pull through. We're gonna eat. Ricky in the back. Ricky in the back. Who that in the back? Who that in the back? And we're gonna go see some friends. The beach. I can't wait. Such a nice day out. Don't you agree, Ricky? Oh my hair. Oh Lord. My panties are showing. Okay, I'll see you at the beach, the beach. Palm trees. It's so gorgeous. Going down the steps. Oh. So many people. We're gonna settle down, put our stuff down, and we'll talk to y'all later. Okay? Look how this is such a gorgeous day to be outside right now. Comment down below what you're doing right now when you watch this video. You guys should go to the beach and watch this video. Yeah, it's nice. Girl, you gotta make it more sexual. Mr. Director over here. You should flip the camera and show you guys.
That's good.
How do we flip it? There's like a little thing. You can flip right here. Now it's pointing to you guys.
Introduce
vlog.
yourself.
Oh.
So fun.
You guys been here for an hour?
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
I'm glad we're not that.
Probably really.
How's my swim?
No!
Oh, wanted to have solo shots? I don't like this video out. Fire him.
You're good.
No worries, you're good.
Thank you.
That's really funny.
We got some beer on. Huh? Let's get in the water.
Let's get in
The water is not hot.
Sunscreen on your leg, Ricky?
I'll still wash away.
What? It washes away.
Sunscreen washes away.
No way.
You gotta let it soak in a little bit.
Yeah, you have to sit for like 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, but we don't sit for 15 minutes, so we're putting it on our legs.
Okay. Do you guys want some food though? Before you guys go?
Yeah, you guys want some food?
Girl.
Ethan's enjoying the.
Is that facing you? Oh. Hey.
You guys want anything?
That pineapple?
Yeah.
Can I have one?
There's also mango. Ethan said he wanted some mango.
That's cool.
Ethan, you didn't get the shot.
The shot? Do another.
Busted. Oh, don't be mean to me.
You're not.
What the? What is that leg?
Thank you, Ethan. No, do it to Ethan. You have to do it to Ethan.
Why? No, you're trying. He doesn't?
That's why it tastes bad, huh? Girl.
Oh, heck no.
That camera's not water resistant.
Anthony did this. Okay, talk to the camera.
So we just finished our beach day. As you can see, we're packing up. I mean, all packed up. Look at Ethan.
No, it does. But is there two of these or just one?
Show the beach. This is our dinner before. I got some shrimp wontons. This is our dinner before we go to the party because I'm not trying to drink on an empty stomach. Stevie! Oh Lord.
This is what I got. It's like a pork belly bun. Holy moly. Ooh. Holy moly.
Oh my god, that looks like a salmon. Oh my god, you're dropping it everywhere.
So bad.
Do you want to try one?
No.
They give me 5, so you can have one. Here, try it. So freaking good.
Oh my god, fat. Oh my god.
With the high cortisol. So the theme tonight is Y2K. Ricky, can you film me?
That's not Y2K.
It's
babe.
not.
That's
But we tried our best because
that's Chop City. That's not Y2K.
it's not. But this is the closest we can get. So
Can you show me?
yeah. And this is also not Y2K. Do a spin. Do a spin like a ballerina. Yep.
She's super pretty. Her body tea.
We're gonna be recording with our phones. So prepare for the quality drop. Okay. We'll see you there. Stevie, say hi to the camera. What do you have to say? What do you have to say for the people? Meow. 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 Okay. See you later, Stevie.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know.